Hello everybody and welcome to lesson 23. Let's get started. Learn the vocabulary with me. Clean, cleaner. Please clean your room before dinner. Illness. She caught an illness and had to stay home from school. Ill. He felt ill after eating too much candy. The cleaner made the house sparkle. Butcher. The butcher sells fresh meat. Drink, drank, drunk. A drunk. I drank a glass of water to quench my thirst. Leader. The leader guided the team to victory. Minute, minute. Wait a minute, I'll be right back. Serious, seriously. It's serious. We need to address it immediately. Uncle. My uncle lives in the countryside. Enemy. He's the enemy. We can't trust him. Number. The number of students in the class is 20. Yes. Yep. Yes, I'd like some more tea, please. Fee. There is a fee for using the gym. Look. Look forward to. Look for. Look after. Look at the beautiful view. I look forward to seeing you. Torch, flashlight. The torch helped us find the way in the dark. Monday. Let's meet on Monday for coffee. You. Have you done your homework yet? Every. I drink every day to stay hydrated. Financial. They had financial problems after losing their jobs. Make, made, made. She made a cake for her friend's birthday. Star. The star shines brightly in the night sky. Thin, thinner. She's so thin after going on a diet. Balcony. The balcony overlooks the garden. Development. Develop. The city is undergoing rapid development. AM, The meeting is scheduled for 10 a.m. Chicken. We're having roasted chicken for dinner tonight. Frost, frosty. Be careful on the road. It's frosty this morning. Open, opening. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Refreshment or refreshments. Let's have refreshments after the meeting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.